guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I have been protecting my hair on this braid, what I have been using to protect my hair under the braid. It doesn't matter if it's true. So first thing we'll be needing is an empty jar. So now I will just pour my fenugreek seed inside the empty jar. I won't be putting much. I will just put the quantity that will cover the bottom or the down layer, whatever it's called. So I'll just put little quantity that will cover it, and then I'll add some water to it. So after that, I will cover the lid and keep it overnight. I'll be letting it stay overnight. So now it's the next day, and this is my fenugreek water and seed. You can see that some of the nutrients of the fenugreek has absorbed into the water. So I'll be transferring it into my spray bottle.
The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Oh, and if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. There'll be my trail.
This fenugreek, I won't be throwing it away. I will be using it to make a deep conditioner later. So our fenugreek water or fenugreek juice is ready. I'll keep that aside. So now, here is my fenugreek juice. I will just spritz it in my hair. I'm going to be spraying the water all over my hair for my hair to absorb the water.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter.
So after the water have totally saturated all over my hair, I will just be massaging it into my hair. And now I will be using this virgin hair fertilizer. And this is the quantity I will be using. I will just massage this into my scalp. Massage it very well for it to get to every part of the hair. And if it's not enough, you add to it. So guys, this is how I have been protecting my hair under this braid. As you can see, the root of my hair is neat and clean. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Psalm 23 verse 6.